Most companies in 2026 are still managing compensation the wrong way. It's scattered, manual, and inconsistent, making pay decisions risky and hard to trust. Leaders like you today face the same challenges. Compensation cycles run across disconnected systems, 17 tabs, 3 versions, 1 comp cycle. No confidence in pay decisions, and no clear way forward. At the same time, pay decisions happen in silos. Pay equity, compensation, and performance reviews are often handled separately. Each decision may make sense on its own, but not together, which leads to wasted budgets, employee churn, and eroded ROI. And finally, with pay transparency requirements accelerating worldwide, every pay decision needs to be clear and defensible. These challenges may look different, but they all share the same problem. Leaders lack a single source of truth for compensation. Introducing Become Pay Suite, providing clear, explainable pay outcomes, where pay equity, compensation, and performance finally come together in one place. Put context behind every pay decision with AI plus total human control. With Pay Equity and Transparency by Become, you can understand pay equity across your workforce. Identify pay gaps and take action. And stay compliant globally. With Becom's compensation management, you can take control of your entire compensation lifecycle. Manage rewards in one system. And replace spreadsheets with one unified platform. Scale formula-driven precision with a full audit trail. With Becom's performance management tools, you can connect pay decisions to performance outcomes and gain complete workforce visibility across the pay suite. With Become Pay Suite, you can finally take the complexity out of compensation, supporting fair pay decisions for more than 5 million employees worldwide, powering the future of work with one intelligent, scalable platform. See Become Pay Suite in action.